Here he comes.
An action
ninja.
shot.
I'm doing a video.
Oh, Ninja Turtle.
He's.
Here comes Mama.
I'm coming to get you. Where are you going? Where's the ninja going?
Peekaboo. I see you.
Where's Jet? Peekaboo.
Great.
Jet loves this book. It's one of his favorite albums to flip through.
Wow.
Start from the beginning. There we go. There's Travis and Cole and Nanny and Grandpa. And there's his daddy and his mommy. And that's when Jet was just in
Our
the...
Maryland weekend.
That was our Maryland weekend.
Oh, week actually.
Jet was there, but in my belly. There's Daddy. Picture Daddy. There's Nanny and Travis. And Mommy and Daddy.
You see Uncle D? Where's Uncle D? Is he
He's very busy reading his book. Trying to get Vanilla Bean's tail? This is how Jet gets his exercise, chasing Vanilla Bean. Watch your finger. Uh-oh, do you have the hiccups? Uh-oh, hiccup! Nice, Penelope, nice. That's right. Yes, nice. Yay. Oh, that's right. Nice hugs.